Oh, we are back 8:42 now with an inspiring groundbreaker, Savannah.
Yes, she is. Fabiana Pierre-Louis. She's a former prosecutor, a mother, and once confirmed she will make history as the first black woman to serve on New Jersey's Supreme Court. We're going to talk with her in just a moment, but first, her story. 39-year-old Fabiana Pierre-Louis wasn't always sure she wanted to be a lawyer, but now she's a judicial trailblazer.
It is extremely humbling to be nominated, and I am beyond excited and enthusiastic.
Governor Phil Murphy nominating Pierre-Louis to the Supreme Court of the state of New Jersey, the first black woman in its history.
There is no better meeting of an individual and the times.
Lieutenant Governor Sheila Oliver, the first black woman to hold statewide office in New Jersey, singing her praises.
She is proof of what is possible when one does not limit themselves to what others think they can do because of their station in life.
Pierre-Louis has traveled a long road to reach the state's highest bench. Her parents, Joseph and Claire, emigrated from Haiti. He worked as a cab driver. She worked in a hospital. Pierre-Louis started life in a cramped Brooklyn apartment shared with 7 relatives before her family moved to New Jersey. There, she graduated Rutgers Law School and became an assistant U.S. attorney, heading up offices in Trenton and Camden. And on Friday, she walked into history.
Standing here today, I know that I have truly lived and continue to live the American dream that my parents came to this country in search of.
And Fabiana Pierre-Louis joins us now. Good morning. I feel like I should call you Madam Justice, but I know you have to wait and get confirmed first.
Yes, absolutely. Good morning. Thank you for having me.
What was it like to get that call from Governor Murphy and when it really soaked in what this means to be the first black woman to serve on New Jersey's Supreme Court?
Well, it's such an honor to be nominated to the state's highest court. I feel incredibly blessed, and I am fortunate that Governor Murphy saw in me the experience and had the faith in me to nominate me to the court. I practiced private practice, public service, and I think it's such a phenomenal opportunity to serve the state of New Jersey. I began my career with the Supreme Court of New Jersey as a law clerk to Justice John Wallace Jr., and the idea that I may one day sit in the same seat that he occupied is just unbelievable.
I was thinking about that. I wondered if you, in your law clerk days, if you ever even let yourself dream of something like this. And how about your parents? Here they are. They're immigrants from Haiti. They really embody the American dream. You embody the American dream. What did they think when you told them the news?
My parents were speechless. They're so overjoyed and so happy and so proud, and I think there were just so many emotions that they continue to experience after realizing the magnitude of this nomination. So they're just extremely proud and happy.
This nomination was in the works long before this particular cultural moment that we're in. But you are, as the governor said, so well suited to it. You worked as a federal prosecutor. You were in charge of the criminal division in some of the toughest cities in New Jersey. What do you think this movement will mean to the system?
So again, it's incredibly humbling and an honor to be nominated to the Supreme Court. If confirmed, if I do break that barrier and become the first black woman to sit on the court, I just hope to be an inspiration to future generations. I know how important it is for young people to see people that look like them, who have similar backgrounds as them, in leadership positions. So I just truly hope to be an inspiration to others, and I look to bring a diverse perspective to the court.
Well, we know you're a hard worker. You're a mom of 2 young sons. As I said, you've been practicing law all these years. What do your kids think about Mom becoming a Supreme Court justice?
So my sons, Robbie and Mark, they're 7 and 4, so they don't quite understand the particulars of the judiciary system, but they were thrilled to meet the governor on Friday, and they thought it was really cool to see themselves on the news. And, they have some concept of what a judge is, so they think it's pretty exciting.
It is. Fabiana Pierre-Louis, thank you so much. I was going to say, maybe I know I'm a mom of little kids. It would be nice to have that gavel. Bring a gavel home and see if you need. Sometimes moms need to lay down the law too.
That's funny. We actually have a couple of foam gavels at home, so they often joke and bang the foam gavels and say order in the court. So that's how I explain to them that I might be becoming a judge.
Oh, perfect. Well, thank you so much. Congratulations. We'll continue to follow your incredible story. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.